Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with Fish Girl. I'm your host Kevin, and today we are fishing for trout at the Chattahoochee River. Got my son Kevin here. We got our waders, jerk bait. He's using rooster tails. Let's see how we can do. Stay tuned. Going right here. Just be careful. Be very careful. This boat ramp, this is probably really slippery.
Step off. Oh,
just be careful. Alright, here we go. First cast. That's someone's fishing line. Like what were they using? 100-pound test?
looks like it.
Hold this for a sec.
You gotta see where it goes.
Who was fishing with this? You're not even allowed to use live bait here. Shh, people. Look at this. This is a trout river, and this looks like it's 20-pound test with a big giant hook on it. Like, this is huge for trout fishing. Ridiculous. I'll pick that up later. Ridiculous. Kev, can you float that box to me? Just put it in the water. It should float right to me.
That should float right through.
Yeah.
Some air fishing with Chattahoochee River with waders and 2 people with kayaks and beer.
Oh, yeah. Because I'm changing to this chartreuse spinner. At least until the sun comes out. Got one. Yep. Yeah, I think is it a trout? It is a little trout. Look at the size of this thing. It's a brown. It's a tiny, tiny brown. Well, it's the first trout of the fall. Little 9-inch brown. I am not keeping this one. I did wet my hand before I grabbed it. There we go. Little juvenile trout. See you, buddy. Oh. Yeah, he came right out of the rock right in front of me. It was another tiny one, but yeah, right here. He's like right here in front of this rock. You got him? Nice, Kev. Keep it tight. Keep it tight.
It's really tight.
Good stuff.
Keeping it below water.
All right. Yeah.
It's the same size as yours.
No, it ain't.
Oh, no, it's not.
Let me see. Careful with the treble hooks. You want to cook them or you want to let them go? Doesn't have much meat on them.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, it's not fat enough for that.
Oh,
I'll probably get another one. I saw multiple jump over there.
Okay.
Can I let him?
Yeah. Oh, careful. Careful. Yeah. Kevin with his first trout today on a jerkbait. There he goes. Good stuff. Right where you cast it, he jumped right next to it.
Yeah, right next to it. And then
Awesome. Awesome. There we go. Oh, look. Small one. Oh, alright. Another tiny one. Oh, he's gone. Easy release. Got one.
Small.
He's off? Yeah.
Nope.
Oh, he's still on?
Really tiny. Oh, wait. It's a rainbow.
Is it?
Yeah, look.
Let me see, I'm coming. Yes, it is. Wow, look at that juvenile rainbow trout. Oh, careful. Oh, he's gone. All right. Hey, good job.